Hey everyone, my name is Mindy Galloway. I'm the CEO for Khemia. I wanted to make a video today to help everybody kind of cope with what's going on. I wanted to do a video with information on how we can be more healthy and think better for the health of our bodies and our minds and our spirits. So my heart goes out to anybody adversely affected by what's going on with the COVID-19 virus, and hoping that this video will help anybody who is maybe feeling stressed or worried or has some fear around what's going on. Now I'm going to be talking about different ways that we can implement being healthy into our lives. And the first thing that I would say is that health is a mental state of mind. So having the affirmation in your vocabulary, in your daily routine, that you're thinking and you're feeling into what it means to be healthy and to affirm and to manifest health in your own body. So that can be an affirmation. If you don't know what an affirmation is, it's a mantra or a saying that is very clear, very direct, and that helps you manifest what you want to get in life. And a really, really simple one is just, I am healthy. And you can put that on your mirror, you can put that somewhere where you're going to see it every day so that you're thinking about health. There's a lot of different things that is really scary about this virus, and maintaining and shifting from fear to solutions and what you can do to maintain your life is going to be really important in this time. So mentally, keeping the stress away. So obviously being healthy mentally means being open and honest and aware with what's going on. Having that positive focus on health is going to be really important. And then there's things in your life that you can do that are going to help your physical body as well. So one is making sure that your immune system is working really well. And one of the things that I would suggest for something like this, I'm not a doctor, just somebody who does a lot of research on the way that things work in our body and how we're healthy. So do your own research, and most importantly, try to understand your own personal body, what works for you, what doesn't, and try different things, see what works. One thing that worked really well for me is probiotics. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus, but probiotics is really good for your gut health. A lot of your immune system starts within your gut, so if you're taking vitamins, probiotics every day, it can help stimulate good bacteria in your gut and really help your immune system thrive. And one other thing that I would recommend is adaptogens. So adaptogens help regulate our bodies, and examples of some adaptogens would be cordyceps. So I have some cordyceps mushrooms powder. I put this into my smoothies. I put this into my tea, mostly smoothies, because you can't really taste it. But this is really, really good for regulating your body, for boosting your immune system as well. So keeping a steady supply of things that are going to really help you not only fight this virus, but feel more healthy. And hopefully these things are something that you can take with you even after everything goes back to normal and you're in your regular routine, just to implement as a more healthy lifestyle. So I think we can all use a little bit of that too. So another adaptogenic herb, and this is when I say to understand what your body likes and doesn't like, is ashwagandha. So I have some adrenal support supplements with ashwagandha in it. And what this does for me personally is when I get stressed out, the cortisol levels in your body go up, and so, or in my own body go up, and so I take these to help with the stress, and it calms my body down from not storing fat, from not freaking out, So that's a really good one for me personally. And another thing that you can take is different tinctures. So I got this one from my local co-op, and there's all different kinds of herbs. So again, do your research, see which ones work for you. And this is just a simple tincture that you can use under your tongue, and you can use the benefits of different herbs. This one's St. John's wort, so it has some different medicinal properties, and then also kind of helps with mood elevation. Another thing I would suggest if you are, feeling anxious would be CBD tincture, and if you're really stressed out or you need some relief, then some higher tincture with some THC in it would be really good to go out to the dispensary and get some of that too. Another thing that I would suggest for helping keep our bodies healthy is, especially with this specific virus, attacks your respiratory system. So things that are going to strengthen and boost your respiratory, different things that you can use are essential oils. So I have peppermint and also sage. Another one that's really good is oregano, and you can use an oil diffuser. Put these in, get those essential oils into your lungs, into your nasal passages as much as you can so that it can strengthen. Also, if you have access to it, what I have is a whole bunch of different dried herbs that I burn. Sage every day really does well to clean the air too, so it purifies the house, it purifies energy too, if you're looking to connect on a spiritual level as well. And then I also have different herbs, some lavender, some rosemary, and then one of my favorites is some cedar too. So those are all really good herbs to burn. I just burn it in an abalone shell, and I smudge my house and I smudge myself, and I breathe it in, breathe it deep, and that really helps me, one, feel really calm, feel really clear, and then also strengthens my respiratory system too. Another way to keep your body healthy, definitely by exercising. So a lot of good gyms right now have online programs. The one that I utilize is the Fitness Achievement Center in Sacramento. Austin does a really good job. They do live workouts twice a day, which is amazing. So you're there, you're with the coaches, and you're keeping healthy by doing, your workout and kind of helping that move through your body. Movement in your body moves all of your blood around, it moves your energy around, and it keeps you fit so that you can fight off different things and keep your body healthy. If you don't know of a gym, or you can't join a program like that, taking walks as much as possible, running at the park, doing anything solitary activity, kind of understanding what works best for you, yoga DVD, whatever you have available to you. There's so much at your fingertips. YouTube is a really good option too, but I would highly recommend creating a routine for your exercise, for your well-being, and for your health during this time. Again, it's just going to make you feel good too, and exercising really gets stress away. Some other mental things that you can do, journal. These are just reminders. Sometimes we get into our zones and we want to do these things, or we think of it and then we just need to get reminded. So journaling, taking a nice bath, relaxing, putting yourself into the mode of self-care. So I invite you all to do that. And I really want to thank you all for doing your part and staying home during this trying time in life, adapting to what's going on, because while you are staying home, we are saving lives. We're doing our part to help stop the spread of this virus, and I am so happy that everybody that I know is on the same page, and we all understand, and we're doing our part in order to combat this so that we can come back together. One thing I really miss is hugging people. I'm a very big hugger, so it's been one of the hardest things. So I'm going to be really excited when we can go back to socializing and connecting with each other, and we definitely need that connection as humans. But right now we can connect with ourselves, practice self-love, and just do our part to help our own bodies and our own minds. And if you're feeling a little bit of extra stress, go get some Khemia flower to relieve some of that. We are in locations in Sacramento, Dixon, Davis, Modesto, Tahoe, and most recently Nevada City. So go visit your local dispensary, go place a curbside pickup order. They're making it really, really easy for you to go get your products, and make sure that you connect with us on our social medias, our Facebooks, Khemia MFG, on Instagram and Facebook. Keep in touch, and we're going to keep creating content like this for you to help have some fun, kind of get in that positive state of mind. The theme of the day for me has been to keep positive, to keep going, and get creative, adapt, and move into something that we can turn this into something good. So until next time, I will see you all later. I hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.